cool off enough to, I think, to take it out. Let's take a look at this hog head. Let's see. Ooh, I felt something move. I think it released. Alright, let's take that off there. Let's see what we got. There's the head facing that way, so let's take it off. So the camera maybe can pick that up. Say. Well, let's look at the inside of the mold first. Inside the mold's beautiful. Everything came out. Nothing stuck in the mold at all. Now let's take a look at the cake. It is a hog cake. You can see the hog in there. It's not great detail, but you can even see the husk, the snort. Pretty cool. Hog's head cake. Alrighty, I came around to adjust the camera. You guys can see it. I was real close here and couldn't get a good look at it, but wow, that is a great hog's head on there. All right, let's see what's inside this thing. Remember, we put the craisins in it. Wow, look at all those craisins there. Move that over. It's holding together just fine. It's a slice of cake there. Wow. It's a freaking fruit cake that tastes good. Amazing. Hog's head cake with craisins. Really, really, really good.